All right, the next thing that I want to show you is the available resources on MyMathLab. These are the ones that are just extra for you to learn the material. So there's going to be two ways that you can go ahead and access these. The first way is I have posted the link to the MyMathLab links under the assignment deadline page. So if you go this, it'll take you straight to the MyMathLab link modules. The other thing you can do is if you go into modules and scroll down towards the bottom, you will also see it here. So you will not see all of these options. Basically the ones that are checked mark in green are going to be the ones that you should see on your screen. But just to show you some of the ones that we're going to go through, I'm going to show you the e-text, the multimedia library, and the study plan. So the first one we're going to open is the e-text. Now if you have a tablet or a laptop or something, one of the first things you can do is you can go ahead and download the Pearson app. That way you don't have to continue going into Canvas in order to access these features. So a couple of different ways to navigate through the textbook. I'm going to come over here and click on this bulleted list. And it'll take you to all of the chapters. And if you want to do any of the problems from the book, the odd numbers, you can come to this one down here, answers to selected exercises. And it'll take you to what's traditionally the back of the book where you can kind of see answers to selected exercises. All right, so I'm going to go into, the other way you can do is click on a section, for instance 1.4. You can also click on this icon over here and scroll if you like using that feature. All right, I'm going to go back into 1.4. And basically this is the electronic copy of the textbook. This is exactly what the hard copy looks like with a couple additional features that you don't get in the hard copy. At the bottom you can use the arrows on the left and right side to scroll back and forth. Or if you know a specific page number, you can type it in. So I'm going to go over to page 52. And show you some of the things that are not in a traditional textbook. In the margins, you're going to see three icons, or one of three icons. And I picked this page because all three of them are there. And these three icons, the first one is animation. And animation is going to be similar to like how I do my videos. You can hear me, you can see what's being written, but you don't actually see the person talking. The second one that you have is this pyramid, and if you click on it, you will notice it says you try it. And basically, this is an opportunity where you can just try some problems over and over and over again until you feel comfortable with them. The last icon is going to be a video. And I believe on the videos, you will see who you're talking. You will see who's talking. You'll see them writing. You'll hear them. But one of the things about the videos is make sure that you did do the browser check that was recommended in one of the previous pages, so that you have the Flash player and Adobe and all of the things that you need. All right, so those are some of the features of the textbook. The next thing that I want to show you is the multimedia library. The multimedia library is basically just condensing all of those features that I just mentioned into one place. So for instance here we can go to all chapters, we can go to chapter 1, we can go to 1.4, what kind of media are we looking for, And basically here you can just jump to the animations, the multimedia textbook, the section video lectures, the PowerPoints, the videos. All of these things are available right here for you. All right, so that is the multimedia. And the last one that I want to show you is the study plan. The study plan is going to be kind of a compilation of the try it on your own problems. So for instance, if we come in here, I'm going to click on all chapters. And let's say we want to go to chapter 1 and we want to go to section 1.5. And so here you can click on any objective that you're struggling with. Adding numbers with or without a number line, using addition rules to simplify expressions, and you can do extra practice as much as you want here. All right, so those are some of the features that you can use in MyMathLab. The last thing I do want to point out from this module page is the gradebook. And we'll go over this when we talk about the quizzes and the homework, but this is where I am pulling your grades from. And if ever you want to just review assignments, this is where you're going to want to go. Since I have not completed anything, I don't have any assignments here that I can review. All right, the next thing I'm going to show you is some features about the homework and the quizzes. And so I will hopefully have that uploaded for you soon.